Explore the MG4 EV in 2024, a comprehensive overview of MG's electric hatchback. Welcome to our channel, where we spotlight the MG4 EV and its standout features among other electric vehicles. The MG4 EV emerges as a standout option in the electric hatchback market, blending exhilarating driving dynamics with captivating aesthetics and exceptional value. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and generous features, it promises a thrilling driving experience at a competitive price point. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 1. Overview. The MG4 EV stands out as a compelling option, blending exhilarating driving dynamics with captivating aesthetics, all while offering exceptional value for money. Number 2. Pricing. Positioned competitively, the MG4 EV ranges from £26,995 to £36,495, providing potential savings averaging £2,884, making it an enticing proposition for budget-conscious buyers. Number 3. Design. The MG4 EV impresses with its sleek silhouette and attention-grabbing details exuding sophistication. Standard features like 17-inch alloy wheels and LED headlights highlight its modern design prowess, making it a compelling choice in the electric vehicle market. Number 4. Interior. Inside, the MG4 EV offers a refined environment characterized by its minimalist layout and quality materials. Despite its elegance, the infotainment system's complexity detracts from the overall experience. The MG4 EV's interior exudes sophistication with a minimalist design and premium materials. Number 5. Performance. The MG4 EV distinguishes itself with an impressive electric range and flexible battery options coupled with robust power outputs. Its efficient charging capabilities further elevate its appeal, providing added convenience for drivers. With a perfect balance of performance and practicality, the MG4 EV emerges as a compelling choice in the electric vehicle landscape. The MG4 EV's commitment to sustainability is evident in its eco-friendly construction and low-carbon footprint, aligning with the growing demand for greener transportation solutions. Number 6. Driving experience. The MG4 EV delights with its agility, providing a thrilling driving experience tailored for urban environments. Its responsive handling and smooth suspension guarantee an enjoyable journey on every outing. Well suited for city driving, this electric vehicle offers a blend of performance and comfort that enhances the pleasure of each drive. Number 7. Space and practicality. While the MG4 EV offers adequate passenger space, criticisms center on its limited rear visibility and boot capacity. Nevertheless, the vehicle maintains practicality, catering to everyday needs. Despite these drawbacks, it ensures passengers enjoy comfortable journeys while accommodating essential storage requirements. The MG4 EV strikes a balance between functionality and spaciousness, albeit with some room for improvement. Number 8. Safety and security. Equipped with a suite of safety features including MG Pilot and adaptive cruise control, the MG4 EV prioritizes driver and passenger security. Its impressive Euro NCAP rating further reinforces its safety credentials. Number 9. Reliability. Demonstrating commendable reliability, the MG4 EV boasts a clean track record with no recurring issues or recalls. Backed by a generous 7-year/80,000-mile warranty, peace of mind comes standard. Number 10. Alternatives. In the realm of electric vehicles, the MG4 EV presents a compelling alternative, vying for attention alongside competitors like the Nissan Leaf, Tesla Model 3, and Renault Megane E-Tech Electric. With such a diverse array of options, buyers are afforded ample choice within this segment, ensuring there's a suitable electric vehicle for every preference. In conclusion, the MG4 EV represents a compelling choice for those seeking an electrifying driving experience without compromising on style or affordability. With its blend of performance, design, and value, it stands as a testament to MG's commitment to innovation in the electric vehicle space, offering an enticing option for discerning drivers. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.